Stop saying dumbass things. You're not even making sense.
Where's Family Eye?
Traffic.
Right
Traffic.
there. Wonderful thing about
Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear.
I'm a good person. It's what helps Ryan
Wind shear.
make good
Wind shear. Wind shear. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Caution. Precision pipe. Don't sink. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Shear. Bank angle. Wind shear. Terrain. Wind shear. Precision. Sink rate. Don't sink. Slow. Too low. Glass. Sink. Too low. Slow. Gear. Too low.
That was super awesome. Nice work, everyone. All right,
100.
the rest of these babies can go to launcher.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Don't sink. Don't sink.
Problem solved. Are you the one in charge? Could you do me a favor and stop tearing headquarters apart? That's not very sad. Like this. What? You're paranoid.
Don't sink. Don't sink. Sink rate. Sink rate.
Our best friends.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead.
2,500, 1,500, 400,
Sink rate. Sink rate.
100, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard, retard.
Of course I'm delusional! Do you know how hard it is to stay positive all the time when all you folks do is complain, complain, complain? Dear mother,
Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Light slow up.
Traffic. Traffic. Increase. Climb. Climb. Climb now. Climb. Climb now.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Terrain.
TCAS task failed.
Sink rate. Sink rate. Sink rate.
2,500, 1,000, 500, 400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Finally, a team I
Terrain.
can get behind.
Terrain, terrain, terrain ahead. Terrain ahead.
Where she waved at
Pull
the guy who was
up.
actually waving at a girl
Obstacle
behind her.
ahead.
Oh, that was so
Obstacle
bad. Good
ahead.
choice.
Pull
What was
up.
her name? I don't
Too low. Terrain. Too low. Gear. Too low. Flat. Sink rate. Pull up.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
Wind shear ahead. Wind shear ahead. Go around.
Overreact.
Wind shear ahead.
I barely touched. Those morons broke the console. That's what I said.
Pull up.
Oh yeah, this is totally broken. She got the firebox when she was only a freshman.
Pull up.
What was that? We got a look. I don't like this. What? You're paranoid. Enhanced 224, 176. Front right, zoom in.
Bank
Right
angle.
there.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
She's hiding something.
Altitude. Autopilot.
What do you mean,
Engine
we?
Fire. Overspeed. 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 Stabilizer. Motion. Brake. Flap. Boiler. Stabilizer.
No one is totally worthless.
But I am a warrior cursed with a feeble attack.
Wind shear.
You must let your
Wind shear. Wind shear.
Wanted a 5-year
Pull up. Pull up. Flight slow.
Traffic. Increase. Climb. Climb now. Climb now.
Bank angle. Too low. Terrain.
TCAS test failed.
Sink rate.
2,500, 1,000,
Terrain.
500, 400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, 100,
Hello, everybody. It's such a huge fan.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Maybe you could just stay in one place and call my name and I'm here. Okay, love that. What was your name again? Oh, I'm sorry. I think you're kind of like so. I'm anxiety. I'm one of Riley's new emotions, and we are just super jazzed to be here. Where's my book my stuff? That's embarrassing. He's not really big on eye contact or like talking.
Don't think.
Traffic, speed, climb,
We still have about 10 years, 2 graduations, and a best friend wedding before you're invited. I will keep you in the loop, I promise. That's so hard.
of conflict.
Anyway, this decision's not going to haunt us for the rest of our lives at all. Guys, everything
Don't think.
build her a new sense
Sink
of
rate.
self.
Sink rate.
A brand new
Sink rate.
kid.
Sink rate.
Don't worry, Riley.
Terrain ahead.
Now,
Terrain
let's
ahead. Terrain ahead.
2,500, 1,500, 400,
Sink rate.
100, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard.
take the wheel. If I'm
Wind
good
shear.
at hockey,
Wind
I'll
shear.
have friends.
Wind shear. Bank angle. Caution. Decision point. Don't sink. Bank angle. Bank angle. Wind shear. Terrain. Wind shear. Decision point. Sink rate. Don't sink. Slow. Too low. Don't sink. Too low. Slow. Gear. Too low.
None of that
Terrain.
Are you paying attention?
Terrain.
Pull up.
Dude, without you.
up.
Well,
Pull up.
coach and run.
Pull up. Pull up. Terrain. Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Bank angle.
Whatever it takes. 110. What do you think, Sadness?
Pull up.
Just scored 2 goals in the scrimmage to become a hockey. You know what's better than 2? 3! I was
Traffic,
just about to say
traffic.
that. We were about to say that at the same time.
Wind shear, wind shear,
And
wind
I think
shear.
This is the finishing touch.
Terrain ahead, pull up, obstacle ahead,
You don't
obstacle
get to choose
ahead,
who Riley
pull
is.
up, too low, terrain, too low, gear, too low, flaps, sink rate, pull up,
Wind shear.
Wind shear ahead,
You never let her go.
go around, wind shear ahead.
Altitude. Autopilot. Engine 2, fire. Overspeed. Overspeed.
Okay.
Overspeed. Overspeed. Stabilizer motion.
So why don't we take a seat in our
Brakes.
special chair?
Full lap. Spoiler.
We
Stabilizer.
can't control whether Riley makes the team, but what can we control? Well, Riley has a Spanish test tomorrow. We need to study. Oh, you're right. We totally forgot. What's that mean? Forgot. Oh, you. I'm Eddie. Oh, yeah, not happening. Look. What are you doing? Totally alone. Everybody focus. Val's leading us into their holy inner sanctum.
2,500, 1,000, 500, 400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
We're not going to...
Pull up.
Great, that's right. It is a sport.
Pull up.
We're basically the same person.
Pull up.
That's right.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Pull up. Pull up.
About themselves.
Pull up. Terrain.
Pull up. So right. Whatever, Valley.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
She picked me. She picked me. Did you see that on me? She picked me.
You heard too much about things.
Don't think, don't
What if
think,
she's made a
don't
list of all
think.
her favorite players and we're not on it? Or a list of all the worst players and worst guitarists? Worst. We're not on either list. We hate it. Don't scare me. You know what? We'll give a laugh at that. I don't know. We need to focus on the honest and just pretend that we get this. We need a band they think is cool. Not that we actually like.
Don't think,
We're
don't
calling
think.
everything we know about music.
Sync rate, sync rate.
It's listen. She
Sync
wasn't
rate,
down
sync rate.
the uproar.
Terrain ahead.
Firehawks.
Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead.
2,500, 1,500, 400,
Sync rate, sync rate.
100, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, retard, retard.
And wait, already decided we're not making the team? No. What do we do? What can we do? What would Val do? Okay,
Terrain.
We're just gonna...
Terrain, terrain.
Just mind.
Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead. Pull up. Obstacle ahead. Obstacle ahead. Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Gear. Too low. Flaps. Sink rate. Pull up.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
Wind shear ahead. Wind shear ahead.
You did.
Go around. Wind shear ahead.
I'm jealous of myself. It's just a reminder.
Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear.
What you would call the border.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Caution. Precision pipe. Don't sink.
How do we build a new ride, which I'm loving, by the way, amazing concept. And it took them 13 years to build this. Well, good news is, we're not starting. I'm Firehawks. I won't win.
Why are we up so early?
Because I'm a newbie, you two speed things up, and that means you hit the ice early and start great. That's right. It's amazing. We need to be that great every
100.
time. Let's run it again. Did you see that on me? It should be me.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
You are not helping. Louis, are you paying attention? Wait, where's your phone?
My phone? What is my phone? Seriously? This is not happening. No, 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 no!
Altitude.
We're not making the team.
Autopilot.
What do we do? What can we do? What would Val do? This is what we
Engine 2 fire. Overspeed. Overspeed. Overspeed.
What do you think, Simon?
Overspeed. Stabilizer motion.
It wouldn't look cool if you hit me in the
Brakes.
face.
Full lap. Spoilers.
Okay, we talked about this. Tell me
Stabilizer.
but what about taking me to Coach's office? Right? Remember the lie? Me and tell her about the Firehawks?
She doesn't do that.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
Who's this guy?
What's your
Traffic,
name?
traffic.
That's embarrassing. He's not
Wind
big
shear,
on eye contact
wind shear,
or
wind shear.
good talking, but he's a really sweet guy. Well, welcome to headquarters, embarrassment. Oh, we're doing a fit. Nope, 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 going high. Oh, got a real sweaty palm there, buddy.
Traffic, speed, climb, speed, climb, speed, climb, climb.
Oh, I got a good guy. Do it all.
Don't sink, don't sink. Sync rate, sync rate.
Quick question. How do
Sync
we
rate,
build a
sync rate.
new Riley, which I love it, by the way, amazing concept. And it took them 13 years to build this.
2,500,
I'm a
1,500,
Firehawk. I won't win.
Sync rate, sync rate.
Because we need to speed things up, and that means we hit the
Retard, retard, retard.
No, we need to...
Triple
There's gotta be something in there, so looking at it.
Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear. Glide slow.
Increase climb, climb now.
You don't guys need that? I'm starting to think you guys don't understand me. What is going on? What can we do? Without
2,500, 1,000, 500,
I wish I
400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Terrain. 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 Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead. Pull up. Obstacle ahead. Obstacle ahead. Pull up. Too low. Terrain. Too low. Gear. Too low. Flat. Sink rate. Pull up.
Wind shear, wind shear, wind shear.
Wind shear ahead. Wind shear ahead. Go around. Wind shear ahead.
Altitude.
And Riley is still just because she's and she's officially a teenager now. Even got braces with extra rubber bands.
How does it feel?
Hard. Illegal. Get Up and Glow is the best band ever. And my personal. Yes, absolutely yes. Thank you.
100, 50,
What
40,
yet?
30, 20, 10.
You're always on me! Can't you just lay off for like what? The worst! Oh, honey. Speaking of, Coach Robert's team has been state champ like every year. And Val Ortiz is the captain now.
This Val.
Awesome at camp. Coach will put us on the team. And we'll all be...
Hey, the all-time goal record as a junior. Your favorite color's red in your skates. Yeah, that's me. Riley from Little Michigan. Oh my gosh. I love the... Hey, maybe when I make the team, I can join Team Redhead too. Yeah. Hey, Michigan. Anyone who likes to start early. You guys, it's Val.
Don't think, don't think.
I've got a very
Sink rate,
interesting
sink rate.
texture.
Sink rate, sink rate. Terrain.
Why does it remind me of,
Terrain.
Miss Riley, way to go, Michigan.
1,000.
No, you're making it worse. That was my intention.
Sink rate, sink rate.
100, 207, 60, 50,
Oh, that's sweet. I am
40, 30.
very proud.
Retard, retard, retard.
So awesome. Oh yeah, I love Get Up and Glow. Oh yeah, Get Up and Glow is so awesome. Riley, this is the best band ever. Michigan knows what's up.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
A firehawk yet, but I figured since we're on the
Traffic,
same team, we
traffic.
could match, right? Yeah.
Wind shear,
I will.
wind shear, wind shear. 100,
Mom and Dad are very
50,
disappointed. We don't go
40,
pro, we find work as an
30,
psychologist, even though we don't really know what that is.
10.
We have no friends, and we got a little super smart and great at hockey. She's really creative. A little sarcastic from time to time.
You can have really bad ideas. Occasionally, she can do the wrong thing.
And sometimes she can be too hard on herself. Every messy, beautiful piece of her.
Wind shear. Wind shear. Wind shear. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle.
Are you okay?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
I'm not. I know, you're the varsity captain, me.
Sink.
Oh, you're the one Coach told us about. Riley, from Michigan, right?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
And your hero,
Wind
aren't
shear.
you?
Sink rate.
You're
Don't
coming
sink.
last
Slow.
night?
Too
You
low.
mean some of the other
Left. Sink.
firehawks?
Too light. Slow. Gear. Too
Happy
low.
to meet the other firehawks.
Yo.
Guess what? Riley from Michigan.
in. Hey, you want to sit with us? Yeah, okay. Okay, Danny. Like, you had it all together when you were a freshman? Oh, hey. Listen, Coach was pretty hard on me today. Listen, I'm glad you came to talk to me. Hey, let's try to be on the same team later, okay? Everyone likes to start early. You guys know. How long have you been here? Maybe an hour? I just wanted to get enough ice time. I'm the same way. Oh my gosh, she gets it. See? I told the other girls you figured it out. You get what it takes to be the best. I mean, there's a lot of work. Like a lot. But it's also how I met my best friend. A few of us are just gonna hang out tonight, order some food. You should come. Oh, it'll be fun. Alright, ladies. Want one? Okay, Miss Riley. Way to go, Michigan.
Why are we stopping? What's going on?
Don't think.
Say it like that. You're freaking out. Don't freak me out.
Sync rate.
Everything Coach thinks about you is in there. But guys,
Terrain.
come on. All over them in middle school. Still
1,500, 400,
Sync rate.
100, 60, 50, 40, 30. Retard.
Something Coach always does on the last day. It's how Val made the team as a freshman. Don't tell her that. Val scored 2 goals. No freshman has ever done that. Danny, stop. You'll do great. Just be yourself. Did you just... Oh, rocking the red, huh? Yes. That's fine. Did you, sleep last night? I told you not to freak out. You're all good, okay? I see you're in your zone. You're ready to throw some... Hey, Minnesota. How long are you gonna stare at your phone? It's almost 2. Coach is gonna post the list any minute. Oh, is it Coach's email? No, it's green break. Look, if we don't make it this year, she's always next year. And she's officially a teenager now.
500, 400, 300, 200, 150, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Yes, of course.
Fully charged? Plus, if you need us, I love you. Go get it.
Mama!
Hi, monkey.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.